Morning, it is Monday morning. As you can tell, I'm just getting ready for the day, doing my hair, I'm about to start my makeup, and then we're gonna go for breakfast and head straight into the palace. It's gonna be a magical day. For breakfast. It's cold outside, but not raining.
I think all I've eaten is Nutella.
You excited? Come on, let's go.
Croatia.
Pluto, it was amazing. Did you love Pluto? Yeah. Did you hit him on the nose? Yeah. Who are we meeting now? Are we meeting Donald Duck? You know you've got a Disney husband. Orlando's falling asleep, so I'm like, it's castle picture time. And he knows for a fact I've got a change of ears. Don't you, Han?
Yes.
And what do you have to do?
Take over pictures
Until?
until you finish.
See? Until I feel like I look good. Neglect to my child down there. And I'm taking photos up there. Cute castle pic. Dan, turn around. Bossed it. Time for it to sort out. Nice. Oh, that's nice. So we ended up buying the Disneyland photo pass as the photos were too cute to not have every single one of them. So now we've got to make sure we actually use this.
En route vers le nord, en route pour Atoalan. Est-ce que l'un d'entre vous connaît le chemin d'Atoalan?
Grandpappy said we need to go as far north as we can. And here we are.
So we're just heading out of the parks. I'm gonna grab some lunch in a bit, nip around the shops, run back to the hotel, and then come back. Time to buy some new ears. I have to tell you I didn't buy anything. We've quickly come back to the room for an outfit change as we had a little accident and some food. Naked food party. Yummy! We're back into the parks now. A little bit more magic before the fireworks, and then we're at Billy Bob's for dinner. Then like some inspiration. Do you love Pluto? Yes. Waiting for the parade. Fireworks not till 7:30. But I've got my place. Oh yeah. Are you ready? Yay!
Au-delà du rêve.
Within each of us is a dreamer just waiting to be awakened. We all have the magic to unlock this inner child.
We have just finished, no it's fine, at Billy Bob's, which is Dan's favourite restaurant. It's much now. So we are now on the way back to the hotel. Tip though, you're never allowed to take a pushchair into a Disney restaurant unless you have a sleeping baby. And then they will put you in a private lift, let you jump the queue and get served quicker. Winning.
Lucky I'm with you then, really, isn't it?
Don't ask.